I'm out here in Grand Isle. I got my mom and my dad out here fishing the Ride the Bull kayak tournament. You can see this is all the prizes right here. I'm number 49, about to go get my bag. $49. Thank you. Good luck, man. All right. There you go. I got my bag. Now just got to go ahead and win this thing. Show y'all the prizes. It's third place. So you get a $500 gift card. Yeah. There's my new kayak.
It's unbelievable. It touched my heart to see you people coming back. It's 12 years with Danny Reed and his wife when he started. He came in my office and said, we want to go with some kayaks and fish the redfish. I said, man, I'm a coon ass. I catch fish in the Peter Road. I said, I might have to go in the Gulf with you. We thought he was crazy. Going out in the kayak and coming out of the pass with the wind blowing. But let me tell you something. Through the years, it's amazing. You people coming in and enjoy yourself here. But we went through hell and back when Ida hit. It's very devastating. I've been elected since 1989. I became mayor in 97.
So we rented a house while we was down there in Grand Isle. I was going to take some videos of it, but I just took a couple pictures. It was a pretty decent little camp. It had 2 bedrooms with 4 beds. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I'm out here at Bridgeside. You can see it's getting pretty busy. I just launched. I'm right here waiting. My dad went and parked the truck. He's not fishing it, but he's gonna be hanging out with me. Well, out here by the marina. It's a cool morning so far. Got people everywhere. But I hope the fish are hungry today. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for me. And y'all stay tuned. Look at that little boat right there. Got 4 300s on it. Look at that thing. It's a big ass boat.
There is 0% chance of rain. So it's going to be hot, stay hydrated, and watch that tide. We don't want to take bets on how many anglers we're going to pick up out of the water. So be careful. Anything else that y'all worried about? Any questions? You should have gotten them out of the way last night. Perfect. All right, folks. Enjoy the day. Stay safe. Be a good neighbor and a good friend and help each other out. It's going to be a long day. Good luck.
All right, and we're off. Good luck.
He's brave for that.
Ow! That sucks. That's stuck. Right in the thumb. Ow! Uh-oh. Got something. Ah, I got a shark. I don't want no damn shark. I'll hook them too. That's alright.
I'm sorry, dude.
Just watch that anchor rope. I think you're in the anchor.
Yeah.
Yep, you're in the anchor.
Shit. I'm trying to get off the damn anchor, slipping like a son of a bitch. Ah, dang, hang on. We all flippy. Shit, they blew this out the way.
So right here in this clip, I got myself in a bit of a situation. The tide was going out so strong. When I went to go move my anchor trolley, it got stuck. My kayak was sideways with the current, and I thought I was gonna flip. So I was trying to grab my anchor rope to try to pull it, to try to slide it up to the bow of the kayak so I could pick it up. I was using my fishing pole to try to grab it. You can see how it's pulling straight out sideways. And for some reason in this clip, my mic either got unplugged or something happened with the sound where there's no sound in this, but you can see how fast the water is moving. I'm still trying to get the anchor trolley. It was pulling so hard I couldn't get it to slide forwards or backwards, and it broke my rod holder off. I was trying to use my fishing pole to grab it. I did eventually get the anchor trolley to slide forward to where I could pedal forward to get slack on my anchor rope to pull it up, but yeah, this wasn't a good situation at all. Not sure if you can tell in the video how hard I had to pull on that anchor trolley to get it to move, but it had a lot of tension on it. I'm surprised the string didn't pop, or the little rope that I use. Alright everybody, so I'm back home. The tournament was fun. I wound up not catching a redfish, so I'd like to congratulate all the top 10 winners. I will be doing it again with a little bit different strategy. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace. Hey, what's going on everybody? So I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I just want to show y'all something that this company Placino sent me. It's a cast net. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate it in the backyard. It's a 7-foot cast net. Comes with this little case. Got a little repair kit. Got the needle and some new string. Now don't mind my grass. I need to cut my grass. I've been busy, so I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how you throw it. This cast net's a little bit different. You see how they have this aluminum ring right here? You hold the ring in one hand, and I take about half the net and I hold it like this. Grab one lead, kind of hold it like that, and all you do is just swing this in around like that. Look now, look how that thing opened. And that's just right here in my backyard. It's designed to, when you throw that ring, it opens it up. That's pretty much a pancake right there. So the description, I have the code for it. It's made by Placino, and I hope you enjoyed it.